And I'm sure, you know, it also kind of gave me a reflection of what sir has already done. चुपके चुपके के स्टाइल में आपको मैं देख रहा हूँ, आप हिंदी के टीचर बने हुए हैं. जैसे मैंने आपको देखा कि आप हिंदी के टीचर, मैं खुद किंग करते हुए विमूढ़ हो गया. मैंने कहा भाई कमाल है यार, वो तो कमाल ही हो गया. तो
नहीं, मैंने हर्ड द स्क्रिप्ट, मैं भी थोड़ा डर गया था कि मुझे इतनी शुद्ध हिंदी बोलनी है. और पर इट्स अ बिग चैलेंज, इट वाज अ बिग चैलेंज, बट दैट्स व्हाट द फन ऑफ द होल कैरेक्टर वाज, टू स्पीक इन हिंदी. एंड श्रेयस वाज
चुपके चुपके देख के रिहर्सल कर ली.
वो तो मैं चुपके चुपके देख रहा था, आपको कैसे पता चला? पर it was, I mean, me and Shreya sat and we did a lot of workshop together. And when we were working on in the workshop, he knew all the dialogues. You know, it was incredible how he was like, he knew everybody's dialogues. तो मैं बोल रहा हूँ यार तू ही बोल दे मेरे लिए फिल्म में डायलॉग. लेकिन finally I had to say it in Hindi, which was fun, and it was difficult, as you saw in the promo. I mean, शुक्रवार को छेदन, कोई जानता है इसका मतलब क्या है? शुक्रवार को छेदन का मतलब जानता है कोई? शुक्रवार को क्या होगा? नहीं.
तो आप वो डायलॉग रिपीट कर दीजिए ताकि इनको
हाँ, पूरा डायलॉग एक बार रिपीट.
ओके. सभ्य भाषा, हाँ सभ्य भाषा. मैं आपसे सभ्य भाषा में वार्तालाप करूंगा. आप मेरे एक प्रश्न का उत्तर दीजिए. आपने हमारी अनुमति के बिना हमारे मौलिक अधिकारों का उल्लंघन करते हुए शुक्रवार को छेदन के संदेशवाहक पत्र पर हमारा छायाचित्र कैसे प्रक्षेपित किया?
शुक्रवार को क्या किया?
शुक्रवार को, 8 शुक्रवार को हमारी फिल्म आ रही है सितंबर. प्लीज जाइए और देखिए.
तो किसी को पता लगा कि क्या क्या बोला? मनोज तेरे को पता?
अच्छा, वो लिफ्ट में जो आए थे उन्होंने शुक्रवार को छेदन करा लिया.
नहीं पता लगा, पिक्चर देख के पता चला.
How was it working with the entire team, and आपका क्या रिएक्शन है इन लोगों के प्रति कि जब आपको ये पता लगा कि ओहो ऐसा कुछ हुआ?
First of all, this is a dream come true moment for me. I'm a new person for this movie. I'm very new for this. Or I would like to thank Shreyas sir for giving me this chance. क्योंकि एक एक्टर के लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होता है कि एक ऐसा राइट प्लेटफॉर्म मिले जहाँ पे वो अपनी कैपेबिलिटीज़, अपना पोटेंशियल शो कर पाए. सो आई थिंक दैट्स द बेस्ट प्लेटफॉर्म फॉर मी. थैंक यू सो मच. एंड Bobby sir, I was very nervous when I was coming for the first shot. मैं सोची थी होगा भी कि नहीं होगा. I was so nervous. But जब शूट शुरू हुआ वो कैसे स्मूथली ख़त्म हो गया पता ही नहीं चला. So thank you so much for all your cooperation.
You did such a good job that whenever I see you on screen, I get nervous. Because you always, I mean, the way you portrayed the wife's role is amazing. And seriously, I'm not just saying it to you. Whenever I'm dubbing for the scene and I'm actually getting nervous looking at you because you're going to fire me.
Thank you so much. Sunny sir, I'm your huge fan. मुझे shoot के दौरान आपसे मिलने का मौका ही नहीं मिला एक बार भी. But I was so desperate to meet you. Thank you so much for making me a part of this project. Thank you so much. And I'm very happy. You can see my excitement. Thank you so much.
Bobby is trying to say after a long gap you're coming back for
Yeah, I know. I was looking for some great scripts to come my way. I didn't get any till I heard the script from Shreyas, and that excited me a lot. So I just want to do films which I enjoy doing, and I know that the audiences will enjoy when they watch it, and not just keep. I'm trying to do some more films. I'm doing YPD3 now, which will start soon. So hopefully, when people watch this film, I'm sure I'll get some more work.
Yeah.
वही Zoom वाला corner ही है.
Bobby, in a recent interview, you said that there's a lot of work that you want to do, but perhaps didn't realize when the roles started slipping away. I wanted to understand, is it a very difficult state to be in when there's a lot of work as an actor that you want to do, but the roles have started to drying up?
As I said in that interview which you read, is exactly what I feel. So definitely, I mean, as an actor, you want to work every day of your life. I mean, when I did this film, I was so excited because first of all, the script had really excited me. My character, Shreyas, and me worked on it, and it was like every day was an amazing day. So for every actor, the biggest fear is to have work the next day. And but you got to work hard, look positive, think positive, and work just starts coming towards you. So here I am sitting and talking about my film. That's how it happened.
Because the perception, Bobby, is that perhaps an industry kid will have it easy to get work. So
I don't know. That's just the way the media portrays celebrity kids when they're coming into movies. I don't think it's so easy for anyone. You can be a kid of a star child, or you could just be a normal child coming from a totally non-filmy family, but you still have to work hard, and your luck also plays a part in it, but you still have to think positive, and positive attitude always gets you something positive.